Hello everyone, my name is Abu Bakr Salim and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn to display something on the screen, or if you want a sprite to say something, or if you want a sprite to think something, we can use looks option, and in this video, we will learn how can we do that. So first thing is that I'll be adding an event, and then I'll be clicking on this looks option in the code snippet. So there are multiple options. We can say something, we can think something, we can change costumes, we can change backdrops from here, we can change the size of any of our object. Similarly, we can change the color effects. So looks is basically used to change anything or to display or to say anything on the screen. Similarly, we can show something or we can hide something. So there are so many options here. uh, I'll be using this say option for 2 seconds, and because I am implementing this code on this sprite cat, so when I will click on this uh, button, my cat will say hello for 2 seconds. So I'm clicking on this button, and you can see that my cat has said hello for 2 seconds. Similarly, if you want to say hello without the time limit, you can use this option. Now it is saying hello, but the time limit is unlimited. Similarly, think option is also there. So you can change the message from here, by the way. So think option is there. Let me change the message. I will eat a mouse. So this cat is thinking this, and we want it to display for 10 seconds. So now this cat is saying, I will eat a mouse today. Wow. Okay. And this will happen for 10 seconds. So this is how you can say something through your sprite, and you can think something through your sprite. So I hope that you have understood the concept. If there is any question, please let me know. And please like the video, subscribe the channel, and visit my website.